In previous class, we learned about structure of human heart. In this structure of human heart, mainly the human heart can be consist of four chambers of heart. So one is the right atrium, and second one is the left atrium, and the bottom ventricle is called as right ventricular and left ventricular. So this is the consist of four chambers of heart. So today we discuss about that how is our heart is functioning. So working of heart. So today we learn about that function of human heart. So in this function of human heart, mainly the heart can be generated from the embryonic mesoderm. So this is most important for the MCET bits, and the study of the cardiology. So the study of the heart is called as cardiology, right, Nana? So next one. So in this process, function of human heart. So mainly three stages can be we can see, Nana. One is the atrial contraction or atrial systole, and second one is the ventricular systole, and the third one is the ventricular or joint diastole. So this is the within the three stages the human heart can be working. So now we are seeing the first side heading, atrial contraction or systole. So these atrial contraction within the human heart, it may be take time 0.1 second time for the atrial contraction. What happened in atrial contraction? So generally we are heard about that how is our heart is working. So we are commonly saying that so heart is working with the sound of lub dub. Lub dub is the one heartbeat. So here we can start with the atrial systole. So whenever we see that the right atrium and the left atrium, so within the right atrium one site is present, Nana. So this is site is the located in that area superior vena cava. So in this superior vena cava one site is present, Nana. So this is called as sinoatrial node, or also called as pacemaker. So this is the site is the our heart working is beginning site. So in this area, so the action potential can be occurred. So whenever the four chambers can be relaxed position or resting position, the first point atrial contraction or atrial systole in method, first one is the sinoatrial node can be pass away the signals with the help of action potential. So in this way the two atrials can be contraction. So this is the method called as atrial contraction. So in the atrial contraction, so in right atrium what is the carrying, deoxygenated blood. So that is called as waste blood. So within the right atrium, so carrying of oxygenated blood. So this is the fresh blood. So at the time of sinoatrial node or pacemaker, potential signal can be occurred. So these two atrial can be contraction. So within the two atrial can be contraction. So the waste blood can be directly entering into right ventricle, and the fresh blood can be entering into left ventricle. So at the same time. So this must take approximately 0.1 second time. And so next one we can see that ventricular systole. So wherever the signal can be stuck, so sinoatrial node can be passing the potential signal, and that may be reached to next one atrioventricular node. So this is the second site located the coronary artery. I am already previous class I said that the coronary artery can be open in the site of atrioventricular node. So two nodes can be present. One is the SAL, sinoatrial node. So this is also called as pacemaker and starting point of heart. And second one is the coronary sinus can be generated in that right atrium. So this is called as atrioventricular node. So these atrioventricular node directly taking that completely signal from the SAM. So approximately in atrial systole, 30% of the blood can be entering into two ventricles. So what about the remaining 70%, Nana? So these remaining 70% of the blood can be already entering before the atrial systole. So before starting of the atrial systole, these 70% of the blood can be directly entering. After whenever we see that atrial systole, so remaining 30% can be directly entering into ventricles. Next one. So atrial ventricle systole. So in this ventricle systole, it may be time taking approximately 0.3 second time taking, Nana. And next one. So the action potential signals taking from the SAM node or pacemaker and directly pass away to Purkinje membranes. And next one, it may be collecting to bundle half His. So these bundle half His and Purkinje fibers together spread in ventricles. So this is helpful for the ventricle contraction. So whenever ventricle contraction can be happen, so within the ventricle contraction the blood pressure can be very high in nature. So in this way the blood pressure can be high. So in this process the tricapsid as well as bicapsid, two capsids can be closed. So in this way the first heartbeat, so means, Nana, the lung first sound is can be generated whenever the atrioventricular valves can be closed. So this is the first heartbeat. Okay, and at this moment the blood pressure can be high in ventricles, and within the blood pressure can be high, so these valves can be closed. So next one, the semiluminar valves can be opened within the pulmonary artery and the pulmonary veins. So these within the waste blood and fresh blood directly entering into opening of semiluminar valves can be opened. Clear, Nana? So this is the ending of ventricular systole. And now we can see that joint diastole or ventricular diastole. So this may be time taking approximately 0.4 second time. Okay, Nana? And whenever the blood directly entering into systemic arch, pulmonary artery and the aorta. So in this way the blood pressure can be reduced in ventricles. So in this way the semiluminar valves can be closed. So in this way the second sound dub is formed. So first sound lub is formation whenever the atrioventricular valves tricapsid as well as bicapsid can be closed. In that moment lub first sound can be formation. And in joint diastole, whenever the semiluminar valves present in that systemic arch, so that may be closed in this moment. So that is the second sound generated. So that is called as dub, lub, dub. So in this way, blood pressure can be very low compared to the articulars. So in this articulars, so completely blood can be flowing in that systemic. What, Nana? So this is called as pulmonary artery and this is called as aorta or systemic arch. So these waste blood can be directly reached to lungs. Okay, and these fresh blood can be directly passing to each and every cell in human body. Clear, Nana? Next one. So this is the third point, Nana, joint diastole. Within the diastole, the blood pressure can be low in ventricular. So in this way, directly, next one is the waste blood, and coming into next one is the right auricle, and the fresh blood can be directly entering into left atrium. So in this way, some blood can be directly entering into and replaces the pressure in the ventricular system. So this is the stopping of the, and this may be 4 chambers relaxing movement. So right now, so we have one definition, cardiac cycle. What is cardiac cycle? So in this way, the process between the, in between the one heartbeat to another heartbeat. One heartbeat, what nana? Love, dove is one heartbeat, and the process between the next heartbeat, what is that nana? Love, dove. So this is called as one cardiac cycle. So this is the important for the examination point. And next one is the whenever we see that the cardiac output. Okay. So here we can see that nana cardiac output. So in each and every heartbeat, so the ventricular, how much the blood can be passed away from the ventricular, so this is called as stroke volume. So approximately the stroke volume is the 70 ml nana. So the how much heartbeats can be present in normal humans nana? 72 times. So 70 ml into 72 times heartbeat in normal humans. So that may be calculated 5040 ml per minute. Approximately 5 liters of blood can be directly out from the cardiac. So this is called as cardiac output. So this is the important for the NSET and NEET bits nana. And the next one we can see that double circulation. What is double circulation nana? So fresh blood and the waste blood at the same time directly passing away from the heart. So this is called as double circulation. So here we can see within the diagrammatic representation nana. So this is the heart structure, 4 chambers of heart, and right side is the directly inferior vena cava and superior vena cava, and coronary sinus is directly waste blood, means deoxygenated blood directly entering into right atrium, and these whenever the left atrium pulmonary vein. So carrying of oxygenated blood means fresh blood. So directly entering into left atrium. So in this way, waste blood directly reached to with the help of pulmonary artery to reach to lungs. So here lungs, what happened? These deoxygenated blood directly entering through the pulmonary artery directly reach to lungs. So here the leaving of carbon dioxide and collecting of oxygen that may be converted into fresh blood, and these fresh blood directly entering into through pulmonary veins that may be reached to left atrium. So in this way, what happened in left ventricle nana? Okay, these fresh blood can be directly entering into left ventricle. So the aorta supplying completely fresh blood to each and every cell in human body. So and carrying of some nutrients and oxygen, so means fresh blood. So completely fresh blood can be reached to each and every cell with the help of dividing capillaries. And within the capillaries, what happen after some metabolic reactions, the waste blood can be formation, carbon dioxide and remaining nitrogen compounds. These may be carrying with the capillary of veins. So this is the veins collecting the waste blood. So all veins carrying of waste blood except pulmonary vein. So this is, remember most important for the NSET and NEET bits. So all arteries carrying of fresh blood except pulmonary artery. So this is the mainly focusing on. So this is most important for the NSET and NEET bits. Remember. So this is the meaning of whenever the heartbeat can be occurred. So the lub-dub is the formation. So the waste blood directly reach to lungs and the fresh blood directly reach to each and every cell in human body. So at the same time, fresh blood and the waste blood directly separately circulation, so that is called as double circulation method. And next one, Nana. So whenever we see that how much the blood pressure can be calculated. So these blood pressure can be calculated with the help of an instrument, Nana. So that is called as sphygmomanometer. So this sphygmomanometer is invented by the Karatkov, is the scientist most important for the NCET and NEET, and the ventricular systole is the 120 mm for Hg, and the ventricular diastole 80 mm Hg. So this is called as normal BP, blood pressure. So these blood pressure whenever occurring into lower level, so that is called as low BP. So whenever crossing the 120 mm by 80 mm by Hg, so that is called as high BP. Okay, clear, Nana? So this is additional matter giving to you, and this is the ending of function of heart, and next we will continuation with a new topic.